Hey, who you pushing, man? Ew. This is Betty Montana, Tony Montana's brother. I just got in from Havana off the boat. I heard that cockroach, he's in a lot of trouble. I come over here, I try to help him out. He got high on his own supply, so now I gotta do this stupid show for him. So today he told me we are gonna be making Havana sausage and peppers like mi abuela used to make. This is what we eat out there over in Cuba, okay? So you get, I already did some of the prep work. You get the peppers. First you get the peppers. After you get the peppers, then you get the onions. And then after you get the onions, then you get the sausage. We got you right here. Nice and quick. See that? You clean it all out nice. Cut it up. Look at this. Nice. Just like mi abuela used to say, muy bien. Look at this. Make sure you got to get yourself a good knife like this. This is a knife like this I use to cut up the yayo. This is what I use. This kind of knife. This is good. You can cut the yayo and you can cut the peppers. So what you got to do is, before I continue, you need to get 3 peppers. You got to get the rojo, the amarillo, and the green. Okay, you got that? You get the 3 peppers, then you get the onion, and this thing cuts nice. Ooh, this thing cuts nice. Tony used this knife on Frank, cut him off real good, that hassa. You know what a hassa is? Hassa is a pig that don't fly too straight. Look at this. Maybe it don't cut so good. Okay, we get that all out of there. You cut it up good. Just be careful, make sure you don't cut your little culo off. See that? Whoop. Right there. You cut it up like that. You dump all that in. You get the Cuban sausage. That's half Italian, half Cuban. These, oh man, I remember when I was a kid, this is all Castro used to feed us, right here. We had the sausage coming out of the ears, man. You put that over there. We already got the grill going. You get the extra virgin Cuban oil. Look at that. You pour that all in there. You do it nice. All right, I'm told all right. Okay, now we go outside, we see what we got going on outside. Let's go, man. Okay, as you can see, I got the grill going, nice and hot. You take the sausage, you throw it right on there. That thing's gonna start sizzling up. This is hot enough to cook your little pinga right off, right there. And this is, I feel like I'm right back at home in Havana. You could hear the lawnmower in the background. That's what happened. I could touch the house right here. Guy cutting, he don't care I'm doing a video. He's mowing the lawn. I'm trying to do a video how to cook Havana sausage and pan. He don't care. He don't give a shit. Right? Okay. See this? I got the nice onions, the onionos, peperitas, in the olive oil. Okay, we got the sausage. You see it's so hot? Oops. Look at that, already. Just need a quick flip. Look at that. Mi esposa didn't tell me that they were connected together, so I didn't know now. Now I'm all screwed up. I didn't know the sausage was all connected, so... That's okay. Hey, what you looking at, man? As you can see, okay, you get the sausage nice and good. Now what you do is, you take the sausage, you throw it right in there. You bury it. You bury it like you bury the yayo before you get caught. Before the policia come, you bury this. You notice you don't hear no lawnmower no more, right? The kuncha and the yayo, that's all that speaks in this country. That's what I find out real quick. No more lawnmower. You give a little hush hush, and they fall right into line. Look at that. All the sausage. Put that all in. Now what we do, we put this right on. Nice and good, you cover it. You let that sit now for about 15 minutes. We check on this in a bit. Let's go. There you go, look at that. Oh man, look at it all bubbling, juicy. That's what you want. This has got about another 3 minutes, and we ready to go. Look at that hot coals. This reminds me of the days I was in the clink, me and Pachanga, and I used to say to him, me, I just want what's coming to me. And he used to say, oh yeah, and what's that? And I would say, the sausage, Chico, and everything with it. I can't wait to try it again. This is going to bring back old memories. Look at that. Oh, man. Mi abuela would be proud. Okay. We got everything off of the grill. Now let's see what we got. You hear that, man? That puta, now he got the weed whacker going. I don't know what kind of... Mi esposa got this bread. Oh, that's we use because we make a Cuban sausage and peppers, not Italian. So you got the ciabatta, Habana, popular for the ciabatta bread. This is gonna be a big effing mess. Look at this. Watch this. So now you get the sausage. You put it on there nice. Get yourself nice little heaping. Right on there. I don't know exactly how she thought this was going to work out. But it works out like it works out. You put it on. Ooh, nice and hot. Ooh, caliente. Woo-hoo! There we go. I burned my culo off. Then when you get thirsty, that's how you do it, man. So that's it. I hope everybody's staying safe. I want to say good night to everybody. That's right. Come on. Say good night. Say good night to the effing bad guy. Because this will be the last time you see a bad guy dressed like this. I get you guys later. I got to go talk to my brother Tony.